This is Casey and you are watching Game Testing and Support. If you have a bad monitor or if your monitor is not working, I am going to show you a way or trick to use your laptop screen as monitor for your desktop. By using this trick you can play games and all other stuff you want to do. Generally you can use it as your normal PC. First you have to open your browser in laptop and search for Space Desk. Click on this site, then click on download. In your laptop you have to download client version or a SpaceDesk viewer version. Then you have to install it. After that you have to download server setup for your PC which you want to use. Copy it in your pen drive, or if your monitor is working then directly download it and install it. If your monitor is not working, I will give you a link in description. Click on the link and you can see how to install it without monitor. If you have installed program in both PCs, you just have to plug Ethernet cable in both PCs, or if you are using Wi-Fi that is okay. Then you have to start both laptop and the PC. Press Windows plus P in your PC keyboard, then hit enter. Space Desk Viewer is little slow and it doesn't stream audio, so you have to use Parsec in order to play games or watch videos. Install Parsec in both PCs and just log in into it. It is as simple as that, and then connect it.
That's how it started. Her old man tries to kill Menendez. Menendez wants payback, even if it takes decades. Menendez, back then, was a big fish in a small pond. Yes, kid. I'm the drug cartel out of Nicaragua. There's a hand-me-down. The CIA smoked this old man. Old Cyclops is pretty pissed at America. While we're fucking around the Middle East, the Russians and the Chinese are getting real cozy. Huh. Politicians. They want you to think this is about ideology. It's a lot of horse shit. Give me your phone. Go ahead.